Good morning, Jumai. The early hours of yesterday, the state governor broke the cheering news on his social media handles that these students of Kuriga that were abducted on the 7th of March were released by their abductors. The news that generated reactions from Nigerians commending the security agencies as well as the president for that giant feat in successfully securing the release of these abducted students. We were at the government house yesterday since around 8 a.m. in the morning, waiting for the arrival of the released students because we were meant to understand that they were released in Zamfara State, and the military are on their way to hand them over to Kaduna State government for onward reuniting them with their parents, with their families. Later in the evening, we got an information that the state government has decided to take them to a nearby medical facility for them to undergo a thorough medical checkup because of their condition and the trauma and because of their experiences. Earlier, the parents, the journalists, and also other stakeholders were all at the government house waiting for their arrival, but the parents were told to go back home and come back hopefully today to receive their children. The state governor earlier, while waiting, had deployed the police special squad that the Inspector General of Police promised to deploy to Kuriga when he came to Kaduna to commiserate with the Kaduna State government on this unfortunate incident. They were deployed yesterday to that village for confidence building in the community and to remain there for a while to ensure that such incidents do not happen again in the future. As well, later in the evening, the governor said the exact number of these students that were abducted are 137, not 287, that was exaggerated according to him by the media then when the incident happened. The stakeholders were commending NTA because since the incident happened and up to this moment, NTA is one of the media organizations in this country that was not caught up in this whole issue of exaggerating or this number speculation. We're professional in that regard. We are not found wanting up to this moment. We didn't say this is the exact number. And then one of the victims, who is the teacher of that school, unfortunately the governor said he could not made it, that he developed some complications while in captivity, and unfortunately he died. That is the situation so far. We'll go back later, hopefully maybe the children will be reunited with their families, who I'm very sure are very anxious at the moment to receive them.